China just revealed a humanoid robot with facial expressions so lifelike that thousands online refuse to believe it is real. When it closed its eyes in sync with the melody and tilted its head and showed emotions on its face, people froze. This was not programmed movement, and this looked like a real feeling. China's fairy-inspired humanoid robot, Xuan, drew widespread attention for its lifelike facial expressions at a robotics gala held on February 8, 2026. Shanghai-based humanoid robot maker Agibbot hosted an event titled Agibbot Night, featuring more than 200 robots in performances ranging from group dance and martial arts to boxing and magic tricks and a fashion show. Among the performances was a humanoid robot known as Xuan, which sang a Chinese love song. During the performance, the robot occasionally closed its eyes in sync with the melody and tilted its head and mimicked subtle human expressions. Although the show included multiple robot acts, Xuan attracted particular attention for its surreal and fairy-like appearance. A reposted clip of the performance on X garnered thousands of views. The robot's ability to display emotional expressions during live performance represents a significant departure from traditional humanoid demonstrations focused primarily on movement and balance. Xuan was introduced in September 2025 and developed by Chinese technology company Ahead, founded by Hu Yuhang. The robot belongs to the company's ELF series, which focuses on humanoid robots that combine aesthetic design with advanced engineering. According to the company's website, the robot's design is inspired by a fairy princess. The name Xuan is derived from jade, symbolizing perfection and nobility and eternity. In Chinese, the word also means beautiful jade. Unlike fully mobile humanoid robots capable of walking and manipulating objects, Xuan's body remains fixed. The robot does not demonstrate locomotion or manipulation capabilities. However, its face can simulate subtle human gestures, including staring and blinking and slight movements. This specialization in facial expression rather than full-body mobility represents a focused approach to human-robot interaction through emotional engagement. The robot features 30 facial muscles animated by brushless micromotors and managed by a high-precision control system. Some sources report the system uses 42 independent facial motors to achieve nuanced emotional expressions. Paired with the ability to detect users' emotions with low latency and equipped with bionic skin, its facial expressions are described as nearly identical to those of humans, according to state broadcaster CGTN. Ahead states that it creates these realistic facial expressions by combining self-supervised AI algorithms with bionic actuation technology. The company's website explains that it develops advanced bionic humanoid robots that integrate self-supervised AI algorithms with high degree of freedom bionic actuation, empowering future artificial general intelligence to express authentic emotions and lifelike facial expressions. The key to these realistic movements is a specialized brushless motor designed for precision facial control. The motor is described as having ultra-quiet operation and high responsiveness, and a compact and lightweight and energy-efficient design. According to the company's technical documentation, with its compact size and lightweight design and energy efficiency, this motor represents an ideal choice for next-generation robots that require precise and subtle facial control to create a truly human-like experience. The robot showcases an impressive range of expressions, including blinking slowly and tilting her head and responding with nuanced gaze shifts and expressions that closely mimic human behavior. Viewers have noted the robot's ability to portray quizzical looks, further enhancing its realistic appearance. In conjunction with facial recognition technology and synchronized speech, Xuan is capable of maintaining natural eye contact and responding dynamically to her environment. Ahead's goal is to enhance human-robot interaction by creating robots with expressive facial features and moving eyes and synchronized speech, allowing them to convey emotions and understand human nonverbal cues. The company believes this will make interactions more natural and engaging. The startup has been showcasing these realistic humanoid robot faces through its ELF series. In this series, the company has been designing elf-like robots with elongated ears and sculptural cheekbones, creating a presence that feels part elvish and part futuristic. The robot named Xuan belongs to a full-body bionic figure with a static body and a head equipped with an advanced interactive system capable of rich facial expressions and lifelike gaze behaviors. One of its models, ELF-V1, is said to even perceive the world and communicate and learn and interact intelligently with its surroundings. The company claims it offers up to 30 degrees of freedom powered by a precise control system and an advanced AI learning algorithm. A head form also introduced the Origin M1, a compact head-only module for research and display purposes. It features up to 25 micromotors for facial actuation and RGB cameras embedded in its pupils for visual perception and built-in microphones and speakers for real-time audio interaction. This modular approach allows research institutions and developers to experiment with facial expression technology without requiring full humanoid systems. The company recently secured an undisclosed round of investment led by Shanghai Capital with participation from China Merchants Venture and Shenzhen Capital Group and Agibbot, a Shanghai-based firm that is already mass-producing humanoids. This financial backing from established robotics manufacturers indicates industry confidence in the emotional expression approach to humanoid development. During his time at Columbia University's Creative Machines Lab, founder Hu Yuhang developed a robotic head named Emo under the mentorship of Professor Hod Lipson. This academic foundation in robotics research informed a head form's technical approach to creating expressive humanoid faces. The company has not publicly revealed pricing for its robotic systems. ELF Xuan's debut at Agibbot Night came at a critical moment for the Shanghai-based company. After a year of intense competition with Unitary Robotics, in what insiders called a great numbers war, Agibbot claims it shipped over 5,000 humanoid units by the end of 2025. By hosting its own gala, the company appeared to push back against skepticism that China's humanoid boom is driven more by hype than real industrial value. The bigger shift happening in China is from focusing on robot bodies to building smarter robot brains. Companies like Dobot are developing vision-language-action models that allow humanoids to understand unclear instructions and adapt to changing environments and make decisions instead of just following pre-programmed tasks. UBTech recently intensified competition by open-sourcing its large multimodal model, accelerating the race to improve robot cognition. This reflects a broader US-China robotics divide. While American firms prioritize industrial strength and efficiency, Chinese developers are pushing expressive and emotionally interactive humanoids for service and companionship roles. With advanced AI integration, robots are moving toward real-time learning and human-like responsiveness, raising the possibility that emotionally aware humanoids could soon become common in public spaces. A robot with a fairy-inspired face just sang a love song with facial expressions so realistic that thousands watching online could not believe it was a machine. ELF Xuan represents China's aggressive push into emotionally interactive humanoids, while American companies focus on factory robots. The race to create robots that feel real is accelerating faster than anyone predicted. Subscribe to AI Tech Academy for updates on the global humanoid robotics race and the battle between body and brain development. Drop a comment on whether you think emotionally expressive robots make technology more helpful or more unsettling. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.